Hi dear students, welcome to Ardent Flash series. So in this flash segment we are going to see about classification of anchorage given by Robert Moyers. So he classified according to manner of force application into simple, stationary and reciprocal anchorage. Simple anchorage is nothing but offering resistance to tilting movement of the anchor unit, whereas stationary is nothing but offering resistance to bodily movement of an anchor unit, and reciprocal is using two units which reciprocate to each other in order to form an anchorage. So that's the reciprocal anchorage. Based upon the number of jaws involved, he classified into intermaxillary and intramaxillary. So inter means between the two jaws, whereas intra is within the same jaw. So intermaxillary is also called as Baker's anchorage, which is given by Dr. Henry Baker. And according to number of anchor units, he classified into single or primary and compound anchorage and also multiple or reinforced anchorage. Single is nothing but when only one tooth used as an anchor, it is called as primary or single anchorage. When more than one tooth is used as a compound anchorage, and in case of multiple or reinforced, when more than two different source of anchor unit is used as multiple or reinforced anchorage. Example for reinforced anchorage may be an inclined plane or its modification called swept by plane or transpaltal arch, or it can also be a temporary anchorage device as well. And according to the source or site of anchorage, it can be classified into intraoral, where the anchor site is placed intraorally, or it can also be extraoral, such as by means of using orthopedic appliances, and extraoral can be of either cervical or occipital, cranial or facial, and the source can also be a muscle origin like hyperactive mentalis and tongue. So in this session we saw about classification of anchorage given by Dr. Robert Moyers. Thank you.